What's up, guys? Welcome back to Beauty Within. It is your girl Costella. If you are new here, thank you for tuning into this channel. The thing I want you to do is the subscribe button, hit that notification button so that when I upload a video, you won't miss it. So what I'm going to do today, guys, is so many people have been asking me who makes my business cards. So I found a cheap, inexpensive way to make business cards without hurting your pocket. I've made business cards before with previous businesses that I've had through Vistaprint and many other companies, but I'm going to show you today how to make business cards from your own computer, ordering these cards from Amazon. So simple, so easy. Save some money. Keep on watching. All right, guys, let's hop right on in. So what I'm going to be doing is just pulling up my Google Chrome, my Internet Explorer, whatever it is that I have that I use as a search engine on my computer, your tablet, whatever electronics that you're going to be creating your inexpensive business cards with. So I already have Avery already on my computer. So I'm just going to click right on it. If you don't, all you have to do is just go to avery.com and it'll pull your information up, create a password and a username that you're able to log right in it. So our business cards that we're going to be using are going to be the 8871 templates. This contains 10 cards per sheet, which is going to give you 200 sheets, which is going to be 20 sheets inside of your package. So pulling up the Avery website, we're going to just go ahead and just click on the templates that I've already created. You can go up there and create your personal profile, play around with it, and just see whatever works for you. So I'm going to be clicking on what I've already created for you guys. No worries, I'm going back to choose the template. I'm going to walk you through each step. So looking at our Avery business card packet that it comes in, it tells you what template that you have for your cards. All you have to do is punch that number in the quick search on the Avery website when you're choosing your template. Once you have pulled it up, you're going to see exactly all the templates that come up for that number. All you have to do is check your package, see what size your cards are, see if they're matte, if they're whatever the case may be, and all the information is going to show you. Mine says the matte white, so guess what? I'm looking for the matte white template on my computer, and it's going to show me exactly which template to click. So as I click the template, it's going to give me all the things that I can do for that template is going to come up. I'm going to scroll through. I like to go over where it says design and just choose business. Business, everything that they have for business is going to come up. But for me, I like to design my own things. If you are like me and just want to do your own thing, you don't want to use anything that they already have on the templates, you can do that also. For me, guess what? I'm going to click customize. So I'm customizing my own. So I have an image that I created, which is my logo for my business, Beauty Within. So I'm going to click on that and just find my image that I already have used up here, or whatever you're going to upload from your computer. And I'm just going to click on it, and it's going to pop right up on the screen on the business card preview that it has. So I'm going to just put it in the area that I want it. So move around the font a little bit. And guess what? Until I get it right, I'm going to keep on moving it. It will give you a warning sign if you go out of the margins, because it wants you to be lined up exactly how your business card is going to be. So it is going to warn you, hey, you're out of the lines, buddy. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up a photo for mine. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I like my photo on my business cards. So I'm just pulling up an old photo that I had when I was doing my real estate thing. Just a photo that I just love to use. It's good for business. Just a plain photo of myself. Whatever it is that you choose to do is what you choose to do. I'm going to be using this one. So guess what? It gives you the option to click on a box and create the box where you're going to be able to type your name, your address, phone number, all the things that you desire to create the best business cards inexpensively that you are creating today. And you'll see me going over the margins again, and it did give me the red signs. So I'm going to choose my font. You can choose your style of writing. They have cursive. They have all types of ways that you're able to punch in your name and whatever you desire, your business name, however you want it to be. I'm going to go and just choose a font, make it as big as I desire it to be. However you want yours to be, that is perfectly fine, guys. And the one thing that I like about Avery is that, it even allows you to just use your creative desires just to do whatever it is that you are choosing to do when it comes to creating the best business cards for you. So I'm going to let you look on, and I'm going to just show you guys how I create my business cards, how I'm going to get all of these things accomplished, just spending $10 to purchase the Avery card templates off of Amazon. And I don't even think it was $10. It may have been cheaper than that, guys. Now, they do have other options. You can get 200 cards, you can get 400, you can get 800. So it just depends on how many cards you want. Just depends on what you're looking for. And then this is a preview. It's always going to give you a preview of exactly how your cards are going to be, the way they're going to look when you print them, however you want to print them. I want to do something different. So guess what? I just don't want plain white background for my cards. So I'm going back in and just playing around with the colors and how I want my background to be, guys. They have so many different colors. You can mix colors. And just see what works for you. So I'm gonna go with this pinkish, purplish background. Kind of matches my little idea, my flow for my business. So that works for me. I have my name, my email address, my phone number, my website information, and then I'm going to go ahead and just click on print it yourself. It does give you the option to allow Avery to do it, and I was about to say Vistaprint. Avery to do it for you, but like I said, we're doing this inexpensively, guys. So guess what? We're going to be using our own color jet printer to print these out ourselves. Okay? It gives you tips and different things about printing things out on your laser jet printer. Just read over that. It's going to give you a preview of how your cards are going to look. I'm happy with the way my cards are looking, so I'm going over to print. Make sure that you are printing in color now. In color. We want that color to show up. So as you can see, I'm making sure that my paper is prepared to go on and just put it into the tray as it is supposed to be. You want that back of the card paper to be upright. Now we're going to go ahead and just put this into our tray, guys, and then we're going to be moving forward. So now, guys, we're just going to go ahead and press the print button and get these babies ready to go. Like I said, make sure that you are printing in color and not black and white. Press print and then watch these babies pop out of your printer. Look at these. They are awesome. So I went ahead and did 2 batches. All you have to do is just go around the perimeter and pop the cards right out. They break apart so easy. It's so easy to do, so inexpensive. Guys, this is gonna save you a lot of money. Guys. You can do it for your family members, you can do it for your friends. Perfect it, charge to make them however you want to do it. So we got everything situated, the colors, and I'm just popping the rest of these out, and voila, you have your inexpensive business cards, guys. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. Beauty Within once again. Mwah.